All right, the first thing we want to do is check out the condition of the actual wet well, or the cylinder, the holding tank for the grinder pump. And it looks good, besides the fire ants. Okay, this is a duplex system. It's got 2 pumps. It's on a rail system. Those 2 rails on each side. That's what's going to guide the pumps up to check them out, visually inspect them. You got a discharge line behind them, 2 discharge lines, 2 check valves, and 2 valves to isolate the system. And that green line down there is the inlet line. That's where the sewage from the actual building comes into the grinder pump or lift station. And there's a series of floats there that we have to check out. That's what tells the pump to come on, go off, and there's an alarm float that'll flip over if the water level gets too high. Okay, we're going to check the amperage or the amp draw on pump 1. What does the amps tell us when we check amps? What does the amps tell us?
Basically lets us know if it's jammed or if it's running healthy.
It's got to be in a certain range. You could diagnose issues by that range. Check the amperage on pump 2. 2-pump system is also called a duplex system, meaning if one pump goes down, the other pump can kick in and help it.
1.5.
That's usually in a commercial setting, because if the pumps go down, there's nothing to discharge the sewage, so it starts filling up the sewer line, and eventually we'll start backing up into the building. What are the amps supposed to be?
They run 4 amps on this type of pump.
Okay, so we're testing the incoming power.
483, 482 for pump 2.
That was the incoming power with the pump off. And then we're going to check the voltage with the pump 1 running.
483.
Right now we're going to check ohms. So with this being a 3-phase system, we check all 3 legs and record the ohms, and they all ended up 11 point. Normally we would take information down off of on the model number, but this one's too corroded to do that, so we don't have any information on it. Put that back there on the bracket with the guide rail and send it back down there so it'll line up with the flame. Pump number 2 coming up. Oh, there's a nameplate right there. It works. Spinning. Not like spinning like that, but the inside is spinning. Second pump going back in the hole.
Roll down.